In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print check register in QuickBooks. We'll walk through creating a check in QuickBooks and getting it printed cleanly on check stock with a few practical tips to help you avoid common printing hiccups. To begin, open QuickBooks and start a new transaction. Click the plus new button, then choose check. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for the payment you want to issue. First, select the correct bank account at the top. This matters because it determines where the money comes from and which check numbering sequence applies. If you use pre-printed checks, make sure the account matches the check stock you plan to load. Next, add your payee. This is the vendor, contractor, or person you're paying. Enter the date so the expense lands in the correct period, then decide whether to record the expense under category details or item details. Categories are great for general expenses like utilities or office supplies. Items are best if you track products or specific services and want them tied to your products and services list. Add a clear description if needed, enter the amount, and verify everything adds up correctly. If your checks are pre-numbered, confirm the check number in the form matches the physical check you'll print on. Take a moment to double-check the payee spelling and the total. Small mistakes here can lead to voided checks and reprints. When the form looks good, choose Save and Print. QuickBooks will take you to the printing window. Here, click Print Check to open your system's print dialog. Before you print, load your check stock into the printer. Follow the printer tray icon or note to ensure the check feeds in the correct orientation. If you're using voucher-style checks, confirm that the style in QuickBooks matches your paper. It's a good idea to do a test run on plain paper to check alignment, then hold that sheet behind your check stock against a light source to make sure the fields line up. If the text seems off, use QuickBooks Print Setup and your printer settings to adjust margins or alignment. Also confirm your print scale is set to 100%, not fit to page, to maintain proper placement of the routing and account areas. Once your paper is loaded and aligned, click Print. Let the check fully dry if you're using inkjet printers and store printed checks securely. If you need to reprint later, you can reopen the check in QuickBooks and print it again. That's it. Create the check, review the details, and print with confidence.